Crush mo ba siya? Oo o hindi? Kung oo, alam mo na dapat. Gumawa ka na ng moves. Para mapansin ka na niya. Totoo, oo, okay. Crush mo ba siya? Kung oo, magpapansin ka na sa kanya. As in, now na. Okay, crush mo ba talaga siya? If oo, say yes. As in, yes to your crush. Oo, okay. Kung crush mo siya, gusto mo ba na maging kayo? Okay, kung gusto mo, do the moves. Kilalanin mo siya. Magpakilala ka sa kanya. Oo, okay. You've got a lot to say to your crush. Be with him or her on a quiet evening, right? Yes, okay, so crush mo ba siya? Ligawan mo. Kung babae ka naman, magpapansin ka lang. Totoo, okay. Love na ba ang feelings mo sa kanya? At nararamdaman mo towards him or her? Kung love na yan, seryoso na. Makipag-date ka na sa kanya. Totoo, okay. Date him or her, that is the best way. Papunta sa puso niya, oo. Crush mo ba siya? By the way, subscribe to my channel if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. Yes. As well as like mo na rin lahat ng video uploads ko. As well as comment na din. Yes, totoo, right? Okay. Crush mo ba siya? Lakasan mo loob mo. Get his number, her number. Pati na social media accounts niya. Facebook, Instagram, Viber. Mag-chat kayo as well as video call na rin. DM mo na din siya. Right? Okay, so if curious kayo kung sino ako as a vlogger here in YouTube, konting information po ako about myself. I am Gail, 32 years old. Nagmapua po ako but hanggang second year college only and multimedia arts and sciences po ang course na kinuha ko. Crush mo ba siya? Pansinin mo siya. Sabihin mo na nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Na-crush mo siya at gusto mo siya, totoo yun, okay. If crush mo siya, law of attraction mo na. Saan mo siya nakilala? Sa school, work, or nakasabay mo sa jeep or bus? Ako kasi may crush ako. Sa jeep ko siya nakita. And I have fallen, yes. But we are strangers to each other. Yes, okay, so crush mo ba siya as in talagang talaga? Okay, so bakit, why? You must know, yes, okay. So, true, totoo. Okay, so falling is easy. Yes. Crush mo ba siya? Love. Gusto mo ba siya lambingin? I-love, yakapin at i-pursue. Well then, i-pursue mo na, totoo. Okay, so he or she will be yours soon, as in. Soon talaga. Okay, so crush mo ba siya, by the way? Manood lang kayo ng manood ng video uploads ko. Yes. Cause you must, okay? Okay. Salamat naman para doon, okay? You like him, you like her. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear. Speak up. Speak up, dear.